Part C, x equals to 1 over 4. Right? Who got all correct? Raise our hand. All correct? Okay, put our hands. So for those who didn't get it correct, the minority, do you need me to go through? Okay, then moving on. Question 3. G equals to 1512. Anybody needs help with this? Who got it correct? Raise our hand. Again, majority. Good. Part B, x equals to 1 over 5. Anybody? Huh? Hey, you Sec 2 already, you still asking me this kind of question, huh? They are the same. You can put it. No, question 4. 168 over 5. This is m equals to 168 over 5 grams. Okay? Who needs me to go through this one? Nobody. So next we've got question 5. D equals to 24 over W. And part B, W equals to 12. Now, 7 men can paint a bridge in 15 days. How many days would 5 men take? Is this a question on direct or inverse proportion? Direct or inverse? Inverse, okay? You will need to write down the equation. Can you write down the equation? But first you must tell me things like number of, M stands for number of men, D stands for number of days, so on and so forth, right? Okay, so let me help you with the start. Let M be number of men. Let D be number of days. Is this your equation? Look at our friend's equation. Is it the same as mine? No, not the same. Yeah, I purposely put this on. I'm guessing most of you instead have M equals to K over D. Is that what you have? Either one of these two? Do they refer to the same thing? Yeah, they're actually the same. They are the same, huh? So let me show you why. Over here, I multiply by M. Multiply by M. So I get MD equals to K. Then I divide by D. Divide by D. So I get M equals to K over D. See, they are the same. So regardless, doesn't matter which one you choose. It's the same thing. So let's just use M equals to K over D to solve part A. Substituting in the values, number of men will be 7 equals to K over 15. K equals to 7 times 15. Will give us 105. So M equals to 105 over D. Number of men in this case is 3. 3 equals to 105 over D. D equals to 105 over 3, which is 35. 35 days. Next we have part B. Bridge was painted in X days. Write down the number of men required. So now for part B, this is our A, part B. Number of men required. So M equals to 105 divided by number of days. In this case, X. That's it. Any questions? So if you say no question, means you really can do it yourself. Huh? Then for our notes, I will stop at question 11. This is a similar type of question from what we saw in our direct proportion. But numbers are not really given to us. Then we'll see that our approach is the same. Huh? W is inversely proportional to the square of D. First sentence, write down the equation. Do all of you have this? Exactly the same, huh? Now, it is known that W is 50 for a particular value of D. I don't know what D is. I do know that W equals to 50. If I know the value of D, and I know that W is equals to 50, I can find K, correct? Now they do not tell me the value of D, so I cannot find K. For this type of question, put down original. Original W equals to K over D squared. So I think you know the drill. This is supposed to be equals to 50 for some value of D. Okay, the original value of D. Now, find the value of W when D is doubled. New W equals to... Okay, now what should I write in my numerator? To what? Numerator. What is in my numerator? The formula is always W equals to K over D squared. Just that there's the original W equals to K over original D squared. New W equals to K over new D squared. So the constant stays the same. What is my numerator? K. Doesn't change. Now in my denominator, it is supposed to be D squared, isn't it? Did the value for D change? Yes or no? In the question, D is double, right? So instead of writing D, I must write 2D squared, like this. Is it like this? It is not, this is wrong. You must put bracket. This is now given to be K over 4D squared. Am I right? Then what is the, after doing so much, what exactly is the value for W now? K over 4D squared. Do you know K? Do you know D? I don't know. We don't know all of them. But I do know that K over D squared is 50. Do you see a K over D squared in your new W? Yes, right? If I separate them out, it looks like this. 1 over 4 times K over D squared. You must be able to see this in your mind. And then this must be 1 over 4 multiplied by, what is in the blank? 50. So 50 divided by 4, you get 12.5. Okay. I feel that this is the simplest way of presenting it, but it requires you to be able to do this separation. There is another way if you find it challenging for this separation over here, but it is a bit more tedious, which I will now explain. You don't have to take it down if you are able to understand this. So let me explain in blue color right now. From here, this equation, I know that K equals to 50D squared. I am going to substitute this inside this K over here. So instead of this, I will get equals to the new W, 50D squared divided by 4D squared equals to, cancel, 50 over 4, same answer, 12.5. A little bit more step only lah. Just a little bit. But you may prefer this one, some may prefer the other one. Who prefers this? Okay, then you go ahead and use this method. Okay?